2, 3. There we go.
Hey y'all, so welcome back. Today I'm gonna be talking to y'all about my do-it-yourself sugar wax. I've been making this for like 2 years now, and it was the best decision I ever made because I used to shave, and you know, shaving, especially your underarms, you'll be shaving like every 2-3 days, and I would find that underneath my arms would start to get dark, and I realized that shaving ultimately, like, it disrupts the integrity of the skin, and that's why, like, it's causing like micro scrapes and tears on the skin, and that's what causes like the hyperpigmentation over time. Same thing with your bikini area. And then so I switched to waxing, and I still wax. I still go and get my vagina waxed like every 6 weeks, but underneath my arms it just didn't make sense for me to be spending like $30 every 2-3 weeks to go get it waxed, when I mean I could just do it at home with ingredients that you find right in your kitchen, and I'll have it all linked below if you're interested. But yeah guys, I just thought I'd share this with you since, you know, we're all kind of on lockdown, and I see a lot of women, you know, learning to do their hair, learning to do their makeup, doing their nails. I still haven't. Yeah, my nails look like trash. But yeah, so I thought, you know, let me just, you know, throw this up there for anybody who, you know, was looking for a way to wax and get it done on your own. So yeah, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I wax underneath my armpit. But yeah, if you want to see how I make it, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so these are all the ingredients that you'll need. I have a lemon, a spoon, a measuring cup that has 1/4 cup of water in it, a small mason jar, a small saute pan, and some pure cane granulated sugar. Alright guys, so I'm back. So I already waxed this arm just to show y'all what it looks like once all done, nice and clean. And then let me show y'all this arm. This is what we're looking like. I haven't waxed my underarm in, I want to say it's probably been like 5-6 weeks now that I haven't. So this is about how much hair grows back. But yeah, so it's really simple. All I'm gonna do is take some powder, and I just use this Ben Nye Neutral Set colorless powder underneath my arm because I don't use it as makeup anymore, and so I just tap some on oh, that was a lot. Just to dry up any moisture underneath your armpits. And I made sure I exfoliated my arms in the shower today. Okay, let me zoom us in a bit. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so that's what we're looking like. And then so I pre-cut up my strips into like about this size. So I like my wax to get to like it's pretty like that consistency. So I kind of let it cool down for a bit where it's starting to harden, but it's not hard yet. I find that when it's too liquidy, it doesn't grab onto the hairs, and you end up just having to go over your arms a million times. So I'm not gonna prolong. Yes, it does hurt. It doesn't feel like nothing, but I tell you one thing, it doesn't hurt as much as when I used to get it done, so that's a plus. So I just rub some on. I do like that much. And then, okay, there we go. I do like that much. Then I put a strip on, and I put another one on to make sure I got everything covered. Oh, I'm missing a little down there. It's hard to see. I should have brought my mirror up here, but it's okay. Okay, so I just put those on and I kind of press it down deep onto the, okay? Do that for about just 10 seconds and then see, that's what happens sometimes. Oh, hold on. There we go. Look how much hair. So yeah, that's looking real smooth in that area. I might have to go over this area a little bit more, but let's keep going. You could do this with just your hand, but like, I don't know, I just like the stick better. And yeah, I just use the same stick because I'm the only one using this. But if you were gonna be doing it on someone else, you would want to change the stick after each dip. All right, next level. Let that sit. Sometimes I put my arm down a little bit just to rest it while I'm pushing in the wax to kind of harden. Oh, I forgot some more. All right, one, two, three. There we go. I don't usually see any hair growing back until at minimum 2 weeks. You just start to see some stubble, and then it doesn't start getting real, you know, it's that time until I want to say a month. So I do this like most of the time, like once a month. All right, here we go. Let's cover that. One, two, three. The hard part is over. I'm just gonna clean up, go back, because there's like a little bit of hair. As you can see, it's like a little bit of hair. Whew. Yeah, guys, so I used this for about 2 months, and then I just make a new batch. And that's pretty much it. And you got clean pits. Look at that. Nice and clean. And that's pretty much it. You have clean armpits.